Oh, I can do it?
Yeah.
Did you say human urine?
Human urine. Yes.
Okay.
Round one. Fight!
Otto, did you have your food? Can we pet you now?
You are the food, I guess.
Okay, we just got into a car and then he promised us to...
Only a car for 5 people.
Flashback.
We are in a cab for 4 people. How many people are we there, guys?
We are 6.
They're
20.
They're sitting very comfortably. And he promised us to take us to see llamas, vultures. Vultures nahi tha kya? Alpacas. Okay.
Alpaca, llama, guanaco, vicuña,
Bikuni.
cóndor.
Y condor. Okay, let's hope we see all of them. And yeah, we'll see you there.
வணக்கம் மங்காளி தேனில இருந்து
Oh. So when are they chopping it and feeding us?
Soon. This is llama, bro. This is not alpaca.
Hola, buenas tardes.
So I'll take the white one. You like it? You can also take it.
My name is Lida. I work here. Okay. So I teach you about the
You feed the black one, dude. You take it.
Because they can smell different odors. If you get, for example, to this llama, and you get the rest to the other one, they not want it because they can smell the saliva.
Oh yeah, it's picking the leaf, dude, because the saliva is stuck onto one of them. So
Yeah. Llamas are bigger and stronger than alpacas.
Let's go. What is it called? Alpaca, llama, sexy?
Llamas. Llamas are llamas, actually.
hello guys, so we're gonna feed llamas now. So let's see how it goes. Come on, take it.
Yeah.
Don't bite my
Those
hand.
are- Mister, pay attention, please.
Yeah.
Take it slow, brother.
Alpaca, huacayo, fully.
Okay, so these are different kind of species and we are being welcomed with a music show.
Animal expert versus average IT techie.
Round one. Fight!
Yeah.
But, for example, alpaca, they can mix with vicuña and appear other hybrid.
Are they here? No?
Those are vicuñas.
Oh, vicuñas.
Those are special.
Okay.
This is the finest fiber around the world.
So you don't feed them?
This one is really expensive. Mister, oh, this one for you listen, okay?
Bro, why are you arguing with the...
For example,
Yeah.
one sweater made with this type of fiber is almost $5,000. Why is too expensive? It's because we can obtain just 200 grams of each animal every 2 years. Okay? They can grow just this size. The alpha male is this brown, this brown one, the bigger one, and the rest are females. In Peru, a symbol of animals. Okay? We not can kill these animals. Government protected them.
This
okay?
one, only this one?
Yeah.
So they have a lot of species, llamas, alpacas, everything here. So we're gonna start feeding them, feed all of them, and they all look cute. Hey, here, do you want some? You want some? Okay, there's one more waiting for me to feed it. I'm gonna give it to it. Take it. Okay.
Much better than cash.
Huge, man.
Yeah, they are vulture griffons. It means they eat deaf animals.
Yeah.
We got sometimes llama or alpaca when they natural die, or cow, chicken.
No, they feed on it. Okay.
Yeah, and they are monogamous, so they choose one couple for all life. In the future, we
Just
like
like me.
okay. We here for show us how is the traditional textile we call our bashalun. Okay. After shading the fiber, they need clean impurities like spines, sticks, leaves. Okay. For after wash, they use this root. This root is called sacha paracayo sakta. It's like a detergent, like a shampoo for us. When it's clean with the fiber, they spin it for obtaining thread. After obtaining thread, they can dye. In natural colors from alpacas, brown, black, white, green, almost 22 colors. But for obtaining red, purple, blue, or green, they need dye. No? This insect is inoffensive.
Click it.
Oh, I can do it?
Yeah.
Oh, where is it? Is it
That's
alive?
Is it blood?
Okay, let me do it.
This is red one.
Okay, so
Okay.
can I eat it now? What's
Get
the,
hospitalized.
what's,
Yeah.
what's the,
Many people using makeup,
Ah.
candies.
okay.
But in Peru, we use
Time to
for
get
buy
upgraded.
80 colors on top. Okay?
Just to be clear, that was an insect that I just killed, which is used for dyeing the clothes. Damn, insane.
Fiber. We need boil 40 minutes.
Oh, okay, okay.
Also, we add this alum stone, volcanic stone, for fix the color, for make permanent. Or we add salt and human urine. It's make forever.
Did you say human urine?
Human urine. Yes.
Okay. Just making
So
sure.
we use all from the nature. Yeah, you can see the sculpture
Is he
over there. He is Soto. What is his name? Otto.
Otto?
Otto.
Otto is a champion. Is he friendly or is he gonna?
Friendly.
He's very friendly.
Yeah, but right now he maybe if you bought it,
Yeah, I know it. I know dogs. I own one.
his little champion.
Yeah. He won a lot of competition, I see there. Yeah. Big boy. Otto, did you have your food? Can we pet you now?
You are the food, I guess.
Hey Otto. Otto.
Ramsey Bolton, right?
He is not interested, he just went.
He is not interested in weak people.
Yeah, we call
Oh, nice.
Guinea pig of this trip.
yeah, because they make this song. Quick. So we call quick.
Queen.
Yes, Peru is a delicious food. I recommend you try. Really tasty.
I don't want to eat it though. I want to pet.
The presentation.
Want to pet it?
Yeah.
This way, please. If you want,
Will they allow us to take it in the airport, by the way?
They won't. You need a
One
passport for your guinea pig.
It's my emotional support animal. Oh, here.
I mean, rest of your days in GIC, you are made the guinea pig, so you can relate.
this one was like a guidance system, but we don't know what's made now. Okay. So everything in this store is for sale. Okay. This way, please. Be careful. Now I teach you how you can recognize
So this is actually a calendar that they built out of the fur. Magnificent. Right now we are hiking towards Templo de la Luna. Kara, don't worry, I'm here to save you from this guy. Stop harassing. Look at the way you look. Say hi to the vlog.